Today, we're learning the line dance to Shaboozey song, Cowgirl. Now, I'm gonna break this up into 4 easy sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. But before we get into these sections, I wanna say thank you to this person right here for sending me over such a generous super thanks. I truly appreciate it, and your support means so much. All right, I'm gonna face the back here. Let's start with section 1. Each section is gonna have a count of 8, okay? So, the first section, you're just gonna step to your right first. You're gonna go 2 steps to the right, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to take it back this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, step with the right leg. 5, 6, 7, slow. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Okay? Now, the timing of that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it speeds up just a little bit, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, you can put your own sauce on it, your own styling, okay? Again, here we go. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And guess what? That's section 1, all right? So section 1 one last time, and then we move on. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now, moving on to section number 2, you're going to step out with your right leg. You're going to step right, and you're going to bring up your left leg and kind of swipe at it, okay? So you're going to go right touch left, left touch right. One more time. 5, 6, 7. We finished our 8. We step 1, slap 2, 3, slap 4, okay? And if you can't swipe your hand onto your foot, you could just lift the leg like this. 1 swipe 2, 3 swipe 4, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna be the timing there. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch. Good. Now when we land here, we're gonna do a grapevine to our right. This is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna step down 5, grapevine 6, 7, 8. All right, one more time. We said from the swipes, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, swipe, 2, step 3, swipe, 4, grapevine 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Okay. Let's put section 1 and 2 together to make sure you have that together. All right, here we go. From the top, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do a little bit faster. Connect it without stopping. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? If you messed up, let's do it one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now that's the first half of the dance. Now we're moving on to section number 3. So after we go from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to take our left leg to go up, right leg in, back with the right, bring it in, step out with the left, bring the right in, okay? Some people call this the K step. So we go again, 5, 6, 7, we set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then for 7, 8, you're gonna do a stomp here. You're gonna go 7, 8. Now, when you come into this section here, you just wanna make sure that your weight is onto the left leg, okay? And it's gonna help you with the next section. So again, so we finish from the grapevine. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go into our step. Left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. All right. So if your weight is neutral, you're still in a good position. If your weight is leaning onto the left a little bit, it's going to help you transition a lot smoother. Okay. One more time. So we said from the grapevine, we said 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp. Good, let's do a little faster, okay? From the grapevine, we said 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Let's connect everything nice and slow first from section 1, 2, and 3, and then we'll do it all at a faster rate, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? One more time. Here we go. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, section 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, section 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Okay, so now we're moving on to section number 4. Now from here, you're going to take your right leg. It's going to go right, tap, left, tap. Okay, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to step, right, pivot turn, left. Then I'm going to step, right, left. Stomp, stomp again. One more time. Reset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn, 6, stomp, 7, 8. All right. Now this is a 2-wall dance, so you're just going to be facing this wall and the front wall. So you're just going to keep going back and forth from there, okay? Which makes it super easy. One more time. So we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, tap, left, tap, pivot, turn, stomp, stomp. Last time. 5, 6, 7, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Okay, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, we set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Now, those are all the sections. Let's try each section one by one, slowly putting it together, and then we'll try it tempo. Okay? We said 5, 6, section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grapevine. 6, 7, 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot, turn, stomp, stomp. All right. Now let's try it straight through, no stopping, and then we'll hit it with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? And then we continue it facing this way. Now your back is to me. Let's go to the right. Ready? 5, 6, 7. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now back to where we started. All right, so that's the full line dance there. Now to try with the music, just click right over here, or YouTube might think you like this video next. All right, thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.